guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's brew a rich Italian style coffee. I don't drink coffee that much, but my husband does. So we searched for a coffee maker through online store and local stores, and we saw different styles and different sizes, but we are looking for a more compact and easy to maintain. Then we saw this. This is the Bialetti Moka Pot Induction. Yeah, it's super small, see? So this is the Bialetti Moka Induction Pot. This coffee maker produces the same authentic Italian espresso using the same brewing technique. The material is constructed from a food-grade aluminum, stainless steel, and silicone with complete Bialetti's patented safety valve, which is this one. With this valve, it helps to release the pressure inside of this pot whenever you're heating this one. It's like a pressure cooker. So that's why this one is very important. The size of this is a 3 cups espresso size. So we just got this small one because only my husband drinks a lot of coffee. This one comes with the different parts. The first one is the pot itself. And you have the funnel where you will put your coffee grounds. This is the chamber pot, and it has a ring and filter. So all of these parts are sold separately in case some of them got broken in their website. This version uses induction hob, which is very common nowadays, and it also suits for use of gas, electric, and ceramic cooker. So, which is very functional. And it's super small, it's super cute. Based on this manual, before you use this, there are a few steps to do. So let's follow those steps first. Step 1, wash with soap and let it dry. Step 2, add clean water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 3, place it on your induction with a low to medium heat until the water is extracted from the boiler. Step 4, empty the collection chamber. Step 5, fill the pot with clean water and add coffee grounds to the filter. Step 6, heat it again. Remove immediately from the heat once coffee pot is full. Do not allow to boil and do not put on full heat, as this may cause the coffee to have a burnt taste. Step 7, when the coffee is finished, throw it away. Yes, you heard me, throw it away. And remove the used coffee grounds from the filter. Step 8, you need to do the coffee brewing for 2 more times. Yes, 2 more times. Step 9, finally you can relax and drink your rich coffee taste. I know this process may sound like a waste of time and coffee, but it's a necessary chore as it establishes a coffee film that eliminates any metallic flavor that possibly get in this aluminum stainless steel coffee pot. For the cleaning part, it only requires a quick rinse between uses with warm water. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this coffee brewing that we did today. Please make sure to subscribe and like and share this video and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!